A very good morning, dear friends. I welcome you in the channel Zero to Infinity. This is the journey with Praful Dabi. My dear friends, this is our episode number 61 that will be dedicated to the healthy body because it is our ultimate aim to become very healthy. And dear friends, this will be coming under the holistic body healing series for the world. This is our legal disclaimer. If you haven't read it, kindly read it once. Thank you very much, dear friends, for your kind affection and the suggestions. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episodes and the playlist on the Corona and the COVID-19 series. And dear friend, this is the need of the hour that you should be prevent yourself from the Corona, which is the pandemic around the world. And dear friends, I believe that you are working on the free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefit. Not for me at all. Welcome in the holistic body healing series. Welcome in a new world. These are the summary of our health concept. Concept series is totally different in our another playlist, but this particular series is dedicated to the health only, body health and the mental health. So dear friends, these are the summarization of some of the concept, because once the concept will be clear, then certainly you will be able to apply it in many of the manners. Just like you can heal yourself from the headache, from the eye disease, from the corona, from the diabetes, etc., etc. So dear friends, I will not try to boast, but this is the STEM energy which is doing the miracles. Whether you want to know about it, whether you want to do or not do, it is completely depend on the you. These are the summary of the health concept. Kindly read it once so that you can enjoy this particular episode, because we will just start from the previous one. Episode number 45, 46. Some of the fun fact about the WHO, World Health Organization. Episode number 58. And these the episodes which are in the playlist. You will find the complete series of that particular segment, that particular dimension, that particular area. But it may be possible that sometime I make for the India, sometime I make for the world, or sometime I make the concept series or the miscellaneous series. It may be possible. That's why kindly refer the playlist. That will be very much helpful for you. And I have done my best so that the complete segregation, the total segregation, the total flow of the episode should not the break. Episode number 59. Episode number 60. Dear friends, this was our last particular episode in which we have discussed some of the concept. We will fast forward that some of the concept which were discussed in the detail in the episode number 60 or our last episode. Concept number H32. The disease or the sickness as per the today's medical science. What is the meaning of it? Malfunctioning of any limb, organ, less body resistance or the external attack. This is called as a disease or the sickness. This means malfunctioning of any limb. My eyes are problematic due to the black fungus. My nose is being attacked by some of the bacteria. It is a disease. Or my liver is not particular working fine. This means I have the particular disease in my lung. So dear friends, what is the meaning of the disease as per the today's medical science? Malfunctioning of any of the limb, any of the limb of our body, any organ, less body resistance. Just like in the AIDS, what is it, the meaning of the AIDS? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This means my body resistance will be almost zero or almost negative. I am attracting the diseases from the outer world. That's why the less body resistance is also a disease. If your body resistance is very less, then certainly you will not able to sustain from outer bacteria, very powerful viruses, etc. Concept number H33 is disease or the sickness as per the spiritual science. Dear friends, this is the channel which is dedicated to the spiritual science. That's why we have to have, but it is a science. That's why we have to go very logically with some kind of the proof also. So disease and the sickness as per the spiritual science. Number one, less energy, impure energy, imbalance in the energy. Only the three things. I'm not going in very much infinity concept or etc. Only three things. If you have, your energy level is very less. What is the meaning of the energy? By this energy, body electricity, I am talking to you. By this body electricity, I am seeing. By this body electricity, I am thinking. By this body electricity, I am walking. This means energy is same for all the functions. Less energy, yes, certainly you will be in the problem, because the power of the virus or the negative energy will attack on you, and your white energy will be defeated by the powerful black energy. That's called sickness or the disease. That's all. Dear friends, second one is impure energy. If you are doing very much sin, if you are doing not taking care of yourself, if you do not like the attributes which are given by your own religion, it may be the Jewish, Hinduism, Muslim or Christianity or any of the religion in this world. If you are not following that one, but thinking about other things also in the context, basically I will not go elaborate so much on the religions at this particular moment. But if you are doing the crime, if you are doing the sin, if you are not living a positive life, this means you are living a negative life, then you are with the impure energy or the black energy. And yes, the black energy is also attracting the disease or the sickness. The third one is our today's medical science is completely unaware about it. It do not know that energy are of the two types. All the nerve energy is just the energy for the allopathy or the today's medical science. But yes, the spirituality of any nook and corner of the world is saying that energy is of the two types. And if there is a imbalance in the energies, like yin or yang energy problem, imbalance, masculine and the feminine energy imbalance, this means the person will be 101% sick or the disease, will attract the disease. And one subconcept of it, less impure, imbalanced energy in a particular organ. Particular organ means, this means the disease in that particular organ or the limb. Suppose I have problem, input should be equal to the output. If my input of the good energy is less and the output of the energy is very much, this means something energy deficit is there. This means that will be problematic limb or the organ. Just like in the diabetes, what happens? My pancreas is not able to control the insulin. This means pancreas is of the problematic. Allopathy is giving us the solution where the pancreas is. That's it. Now my method is, I will cover in the diabetes series, but for the one line I think you will be allow me for the same. Diabetes means the problematic pancreas. This means that have the some less energy or impure energy or the imbalance in the energy in that particular limb. That's why disease or the diabetes in that particular organ or the limb, and we have to take care of that. And we will certainly tell you about the methods, but you have to have acquire the energy and you have to have go on the path which we are saying. Otherwise, kindly deal with the allopathy with the lakhs of the dollars or lakhs of the rupees or lakhs of the pounds or lakhs of the euros. Totally depend on the you. Dear friends, if there will be the more energy, pure white energy and the balance energy in the human body, more body resistance or the more body immunity will be there. It is just like if I will acquire the more energy, more white energy or the balance in the energy, this means my white blood cells will be very much high. If body is getting defended by the more energy, external attack of the bacteria or the viruses will not easily successful on the body. If I am protecting myself with the good quantum of the energy, good white energy, and I am balancing my energy, then certainly I am getting defended by the more energy. This means the external attack of the virus, it may be of the coronavirus, it may be of the 1500 number of the virus which have been put in the Wuhan lab of the China, or I may be prevent from the any kind of the bacteria which are problematic or the harm for our humans. This means we have to defend our body with the good quantum of the energy, with good quality of the energy. Concept H34 is small disease or the local disease or the temporary disease. This means less energy, less imbalance in the energy and the less impurity in the energy. Small disease means just a pimple, that's it. Local disease, just a cut in my hand, that's it. Temporary disease, I have only 3 or 4 days not a corona, 3 or 4 days cold or the flu. This means less energy, less imbalance in the energy and the less impurity in the energy. Impurity level or quantum, it is just the less, that's it. But if big disease, whole body disease or the long time disease will be there, this means extremely less energy, extremely high imbalance in the energy and the high impurity in the energy. Big disease, AIDS, cancer, corona, etc., etc., whole body disease, allergies of the many of the times, many of the types, skin diseases like that one, long time disease, a chronic disease from the last 10 years, 15 years, insomnia, that kind of the diseases will be there. And I believe that you will understand concept H34 and the H35 are just the quantum of the energy with the quantum of the disease. I have tried to show it. Concept number H36 is measuring of the disease or the unhealthy organ as per the science. How the science is measuring the disease? It has the stethoscope, thermometer, X-ray, oximeter, CT scan, MRI, laboratory test, and etc., etc., and etc. Dear friends, the science is also able to diagnose or measure the disease. Then what about the spirituality? Concept number H37, measuring of the disease or the unhealthy organ as per the spirituality. Yes, the spirituality have some kind of the methods. Method 1 for the common man, our own energy level I can feel. Judgment will be total of myself, whether I am feeling light mood, happy, dancing type of the energy, or the energy quantum, I maybe feel very much energetic, quality or the balance. This means I can feel about myself whether I am okay or not okay, whether I am feeling low energy level, my mobile is discharged, I know about it. You may not know about myself, but I know about myself. Similarly, every of the human know about himself or herself. Method number 2 for self and the others. This is the gift from the science, and I really want to salute our science. I really want to salute our engineers. I really want to go to the science because I am an engineer and also I have read science in my school times. Dear friends, this method is a revolutionary method in the whole mankind of the history. Repeating, you have invented fire, you are dancing. You have invented the wheel and you are just feeling that you are the something very good personality. But I can say the person whoever has invented the Kirlian photography or the aura photography. I love to meet him personally with him if he is alive. Dear friend, this is the bridge from the science and spirituality. Earlier, the science was of the total different segment, and the spirituality or the religion was in the total different dimension. Both do not want to see each other. Both were in the struggle. But yes, this is the Kirlian photography which firstly have told about the importance of the science in the field of the spirituality. Dear friends, kindly refer the previous episode. You will understand what I want to say. This is a gift from the science, aura photography or the Kirlian photography. Kindly refer the aura theory of the playlist concept series for the world. I have made one concept series for the world. By this Kirlian photography or the aura photography, the measurement of the energy purity level or the aura level or the heart purity level is possible. And our aura goes from the black to blue to light blue to red. This is the level of the humanity, pure blood or contaminated world in the black. Yellow, this means more energetic, and the white, this means a superhuman, I can say, or very energetic person, I can say. The darker will be the aura. This means black aura, dark blue aura. Darker will be the aura. This means the impure and the unclean energy will be there, and the possibility of the more diseases will be there. Light color aura, this means the red aura. Yellow, white aura, this means we are at the humanity or at the superhumanity level. This means the pure energy, clean energy. This means this is ensuring the possibility of the healthiness. Dear friends, the concept number S38 is method 3 for the measurement of our own energy purity level or aura level or energy purity level or heart purity level. This is called as a Praful Davi's sun gazing method. Yes, I have invented it. I think I haven't seen it in any kind of the book or any kind of the diseases. Sorry, any kind of the YouTube videos or Netflix or Amazon Prime. That's why I am saying it. This is invented by me. Praful Davi's sun, not invented by me, given by the Almighty God, because I love him. Praful Davi's sun gazing method. See the sun with the naked eyes for at least 5 to 10 seconds. Depend on the self capacity. Suddenly and immediately put both of your palms in front of your eyes. The first color you see in your closed eyes will be the current level of your emotional level or aura level or energy purity level or the heart purity level. This means you have to see the sun. Sun is available in complete world, complete earth, no problem at all. See the sun with the naked eyes for at least 5 to 10 seconds. Okay? Then suddenly and immediately put both of your palms in front of your eyes. I have seen the sun 5 to 10 seconds and just I have put my palms in front of my eyes. Suddenly and immediately, not the lag of the time. The first color you see in your closed eyes, first ever color in the fraction of the seconds, fraction of the milliseconds, I will say. First color itself. This will be your current level of your own emotional level, and 90% chances are either you will see light blue or dark blue. This is the level of the current humanity. And some of the sinners, some of the criminals, some of the persons who may be the whitish in the color, body color, but very negative and the very demonic or the very satanic or the very criminal personalities are there in their own inside, very selfish. This means he will or she will see the black, pure black aura, pure black color, but milliseconds, fraction of the seconds only. And a perfect human, perfect healthy person, this means you will see the red aura, red, you will see it. And I do not have to demonstrate it. You have to, sun is available with you. 5 second or 10 second you have available with you, certainly you can treat yourself. You can know about your own aura. And if someone is seeing the yellow and the white, kindly meet to me, kindly contact to me. We are in the need of it. Dear friends, we specially invoke the doctors and the medical field friends to check the result of the healthiness techniques described in the channel Zero to Infinity. Let's start the journey towards healthy body through this particular episode. Dear friends, this is our energy healing method or the STEM energy healing methods. Requirement is of only three things: clean energy, high energy and the balance form of the energy. We have discussed about the energy generation methods, we have discussed about the energy balancing methods, and how to give the direction to the energy. We have learned about it. Now it is the time to focus and concentrate. If you will focus and concentrate, if you will deep feel the energy, and if you will do the do or die practice, then certainly the healthy body will be of your own right. Whether you do it or not do it, this will be completely of your own choice. Dear friends, how cure of the disease works as per the today's medical science or the allopathy. Cure of the disease. Earlier we have talked that what is the meaning of the disease, what are the methods so that we can measure our disease as per the science, as per the spirituality. Now we have jumped towards the cure of the disease. As per the today's medical science, if I want to cure myself, then first thing is locational cure. At particular location, particular limb, I am taking my own cure. Just like I have the headache, I use the head balm. Okay. If I have pain in my spinal cord or in my backside, then certainly I will use some kind of the pain cream or the pain ointment. If I have cut in my hand, this means I will use the sofromycin, betadine, etc. Just like the wound healing cream. In your own country, it may be of the different name like the sofromycin or betadine, but it hardly matters. The concepts are very general for the 190 countries of this world. For every human, whoever the human body is there, the concept will be very same for all the persons. Kindly do not fear about it. Or locational cure can be done through the inhaler. Some of the persons who need the inhaler for themselves in the time of the cold. Some of the persons are using the asthma pump. This is also a type of the locational cure or the locational healing. It do not require just like the asthma pump or the inhaler. It do not need the complete body for the healing. It just need a nose or just my throat. That's it, or my lungs. This means I have put it in the category of the locational cure. Some of the persons who love their hair growing sprays are there. It also do not need of the complete body. Just you are putting the spray on your head or spray on your hairs. Chemotherapy, yes, whatever is the affected limb will be there. The chemotherapy will be given locationally to that particular limb or the organ only. It do not need the complete body for the healing. That's why the first segment of the cure is locational cure. Now, what is the second cure? Take a pill. Yes, around the globe, every of the human is taking some kind of the pill. Take a pill, medicine goes to the stomach, and with that digestive system, medicine reaches to the unhealthy organ. This is a comparatively slow method. Why this is a comparatively slow method? Because a pill will be reached to the digestive system and in couple of the hours, not in the fraction of the minutes or something, in the couple of the hours, it will be go to in the complete body. As the food will be get digested, the more will be the your effectiveness of your pill or the drug. And it is a very much astonishingly fact that how the medicine comes to know where to go. Because if you have the headache, you are taking a pill. If you have a back pain, you are taking a particular pill. This means system is very common. You are taking a one pill that goes through the digestive system, and then it is curing whatever your limb is. It may be eye, it may be your brain, or etc. etc. The concept is very same. Third method, very fast method. Which one is? And normally 90% or 99% are afraid from injections. Yes, I am talking about the injection. Although in the Hollywood, just the hero or the superhero is taking one of the shot in himself in his arm or leg. This means only the movie persons can do it, but 95%, 99% person will do not like the injection. But yes, it is an effective one. Take injection for any of the any of the problem. In the allopathy, some kind of the injection are being given to you. Medicine goes through the blood, and with that blood circulation system, medicine reaches to the unhealthy organ in very fast manner. In the couple of the minutes to couple of the 10 or 20 minutes is more than enough for the blood circulation system to reach up to desired infected lung or the limb. Dear friends, we have talked about what are the cure for the disease by today's medical science: pill, injection, or the locational cure. Now, as this is the channel with the spiritual science, then certainly some kind of the logical talk we have to do it. How cure of the disease works as per the eternal spiritual science. I have especially highlighted a word, eternal. Whatever I am talking, it is not very new to you. Your religion is saying like that, your spirituality is saying like that, your old ancient civilization, it may be of the Babylonian, it may be of the Egyptian, it may be of the Indus civilization, it may be of the Mayan civilization. You are in the around of the globe, from the any of the 5 or 7 continents. It hardly matters. You have some kind of the ancient knowledge with you, and I am just translating the same thing in today's level, in the today's language, in the today's level of the human. Dear friends, that's why I am not talking something new. It is eternal. You, before 5,000 or 10,000 years, the same things are working. Today it will be working for every of the human, and after 10,000 years it will be work. It hardly matters that after 10,000 year person he also want to use it, this particular episode, he can use it, no problem at all. Because it is finally the free of cost technique. I have taken something from the ancient civilization, and I am giving something, I want to give something for the today's world and for the future civilizations. Dear friends, as per the eternal spiritual science, disease means less energy, impure energy, and the imbalance in the energy. Only 3 things. Less energy, impure energy means, less energy means quantum of the energy is very low in you. You are not a energetic person, you are a lazy, lethargic, or you something energy, your mobile is very discharged, 15 or 20%. You are just fighting with the day-to-day needs only. Less energy, this means the diseases will come and occur. Impure energy, what is the meaning of the impure energy? Black energy. If you will see your aura, as I have told you, then certainly you have to work on yourself so that the impure energy can be the pure energy. And the imbalance of the energy, certainly it also creates some kind of the problem, some kind of the diseases, and especially in the ladies and the women. The women and the ladies are very much related with the imbalance of the energy. They do not have problem of the quantum of the energy. They have the problem of the balance of the energy. Although we will cover it in the when we will talk about the women related diseases, certainly we will do it. Now the fourth one is, the person is not completely situated in the true self or the layer L7. This means he or she will be unhealthy. Kindly refer the playlist for the concept series or the concept series for the world. Although this fourth one I will not elaborate it, the person who is needy, he or she will see the concept series for the world, then she will learn about the layer L7 or layer L3, etc. Hence, what is the cure? As per the spirituality, by any of the method, repeating, any of the method, remove the black energy, get the burst of white energy and balance it, just like the cleaning dirt by the water. And third one is create the vacuum by deep feeling, just like vacuum cleaning. Dear friends, I know that many of the things are going above your head, but I have to maintain some kind of the standard, because I do not know whether this episode is seen by the politicians or millionaires or billionaires or by a common man or by a 10th or 12th class pass person or by a PhD holder. I do not know. That's why a common standard I have to maintain. That's why some of the persons are saying, I know about it. No problem. You are welcome of it. And some of the persons are saying, everything is going above of his head. But dear friends, if you will refer the playlist in the religiously, the concepts are given in very much flow. And if still you have some kind of the problem, your friend is alive at this particular moment. Kindly feel free to ask anything from me. Dear friends, words are incomplete by the nature. Hence, for the easy understanding, use of the symbols and the similar examples are very much necessary. Words are very incomplete in the nature. I cannot describe each and everything by my words only. To let it understand, I use some kind of the animation, some kind of the images. Many of the methods I am taking use of it. This means my words are incomplete by the nature. Hence, for the easy understanding, use of the symbols and the similar examples are very necessary. Just I have told you three things. Remove the black energy, get the burst of the white energy and balance it, just like cleaning dirt by the water. Concept number 2 is cleaning dirt by water, and concept 3 is cleaning from the vacuum. I have just tried to give a similar example to you so that you can understand. Although you may feel that I am talking stupid or I am talking very lightly, but no, I am very conscious about my each and every word what I am telling about. But words are incomplete. That's why I am bound to use the similar examples for you so that you can understand. And until and unless you will understand how it is possible you will work or religiously work. And until and unless you will not do the work on yourself, then you will not able to get healthy. And this is the need of the hour. When the pandemic corona is coming, many more bio weapons are going to attack on the humanity. Who knows? Dear friends, by any of the method, kindly remove the black energy first, get the burst of the white energy and balance it. This is second number method is just like cleaning of the dirt by water. By water we can prevent the impurity. Third one is create the vacuum by deep feeling. As I can deep feel, as deep I am feeling, this means my vacuum level is getting increased, and that will be like a vacuum cleaning. Let us see it in something detail so that I can let me understand to you. First one is remove the black energy. Remove the black energy, that's it. No, I have to go something detail about it. Otherwise, it will be once again bounce from your heads. Every of the religion of this earth is fighting with the black energies. Yes or no? In the Hindu religion, Sri Ram or the god personalities have killed the demonic or the satanic personalities. Okay, no problem at all. In the Hindu religion. In the Muslim religions, all the persons while doing the Hajj, they are stoning the devil. What is the devil? That is a black energy. You are doing the same. Stoning of a devil or killing the devil is a very big quantum of the work. But the same devil, same black energy is inside you also, and you have to fight it with your white energy. This means you are stoning of the devil in yourself, in your own body. The principle is very same, only the quantum is different. By fighting a particular disease, I am also stoning my inner black energy. Dear friends, another religion, Jewish religion, they have very much deep root in the spirituality. They also believe in the Jehovah. The Moses has given the 10 commandments to them, and I do not know that how many of them are still religiously believing and acting on these 10 commandments. Saying is very sweet, but doing is always very tough. Dear friends, the 10 commandments are very much important for them. They have to religiously do the work on themselves. The God has given the 10 commandments so that we can get rid of the black energy of our own self. Another one, the Christianity. The Christianity has the 7 deadly sins, and all of the sins are to be removed or to be controlled by you, like the pride, greed, lust, envy, sloth, wrath, and the gluttony. The 7 deadly sins are to be taken care. This black energy of the 7 deadly sins are to be controlled. This means the Hindu is saying the same, Muslim is saying the same, Jewish is saying the same, Christianity is saying the same, and I am as a scientist, I am as an engineer also saying the same. Remove the black energy. That's it. And dear friends, kindly burn the witch inside you. Kindly burn the blackishness. Kindly burn the black aura of ourselves. This will be very much helpful for you. Second way is, get the bust of the white energy and balance it, just like the cleaning dirt by the water. As I have told that words are very incomplete, I am very compelled to use the similar type of the examples so that you can understand. Get the burst of the white energy. White energy just like the liquid or in the vapor form, and balance it. It is just like the cleaning dirt by water. Dirt, what is the meaning of the dirt? This is the black energy. That's it. Cleaning the black energy with the white energy. This is my intention to say it to you. Cure by the heart, pure energy. Heart means the layer L6. Kindly refer the concept series for the world. Sorry, I have mistakenly written it India. The positivity will defeat the negativity. The white energy will defeat the black energy, and white blood cells will defeat the virus and the bacteria. Dear friends, whatever the name will be, the concept is very same. White energy and black energy. Whether you are saying it white blood cells and the virus, or white blood cells and the bacteria, you think about yourself, no problem at all. If you are religious, then certainly you will think in different kind of the things. If you are very scientific, then you will able to learn from the white blood cells and the virus type of the terminologies. Dear friends, this is the condition of the pure heart. This is the symbol of the pure energy this is the symbol of the purity of the heart, purity of our own aura. And this is the symbol of black heart, demonic heart, satanic heart, a heart will with complete black energies. And this is the completely of your own choice whether you want to go towards white energy or whether you want to go towards black energy. And law of action and the reaction will be total same, because and you will, if the action is good, reaction is certainly good. If the action is bad, reaction will be certainly bad. Choice is of yourself, choice is of individual. So dear friends, cure by the heart's pure energy, the positivity or the white energy will defeat the black energy, and this is the 101%. Whatever the dark age is this, whatever is the black energy around us in our globe, but one thing is very sure, at last the positive powers will win the Armageddon. At last the positive powers will win the complete fight with the black energies. This is a 101% sure thing, I can guarantee you. It has happened in the past, it is happening, and it will happen in the future also. Dear friends, the method number 3rd, for the detailing only, create the vacuum by the deep feeling, just like the vacuum cleaning. As much deep feel by you, the more will be the vacuum generation in you. The deeper will be the feeling and more vacuum will be created in you. This is just like cure by human innermost layer L7 or the vacuum. By the vacuum also we can heal. In the previous slide we were healing from the vapor form or from the liquid form of the energy, but we are now, whatever was there, that was the white, cleaning by the white only, but now we are cleaning by the transparent or cleaning by the vacuum. By the deep feeling, the vacuum will be generated in you. And what is the meaning of the feeling? When you feel the vibrations in any of your body, this means you are feeling that one. Body do the work, mind it just thinks, and heart it just feels, emotional level. If you are just thinking that I am feeling, not of any use, because if you are thinking, the thinking is taken care by your brain, but I am talking about the more deeper than that, emotional layer. You are feeling or not? Close your eye and feel your finger or feel your eyes, a small portion. You will feel some kind of the vibration in you. This means you are feeling that one. You are getting aware by that one. So dear friends, this is the method number 3. Create the vacuum by deep feeling. Deeper will be the feeling, more will be the vacuum. And what is the meaning of the vacuum? A vacuum or the transparent layer of ourself or the soul which absorb anything or everything. It may be of the white, it will be absorbed. It will be of the black, it will be absorbed. Vacuum is not differentiating at all in absorbing. Dear friends, I know that this particular slide will be something go very much beyond your heads, but I feel very sorry that due to my I have to also earn the bread and butter. That's why I am very much slow in making the episodes. Normally my target is 4 days per episode. This is the only reason that I haven't completed my concept series till now, and until unless the concept series will be clear, this thing will be something problematic to learn for you. But once the concept series will be completed and you learn this this series, once again you see this episode, then certainly you will understand very beautifully what I want to say. I feel sorry, I am slightly late, not too much late. create the vacuum by the deep filling, just like the vacuum cleaning. Now another concept, deeper the filling will, the vacuum level and the vacuum power will be increased and cleaning will be more quick and more powerful. Deeper the filling, as you feel very deeply, the vacuum level and the vacuum power will be increased. Deeper your feeling, deeper will be your awareness, the vacuum level and the vacuum power or the soul power or the power of the L7, layer L7 will be increased, and that's why the vacuum will be increased. This means the cleaning will be very quick and very powerful. Deeper will be the feeling, better cleaning of the black energy, and this will be very quick healing. Just like from one Jesus, they were just touched the blind person or the sick person, and the disease was just removed in the fraction of the things, because he was the source of very much great vacuum energy or very much great white energy. By his own energies, white or the vacuum, he had just taken the black energy of this blind person or black energy of this sick energy of this person. As he had the ample white or the energy or the ample vacuum energy, that's why he was able to cure the person. This was the logic as per the spirituality. Jesus was able to heal the other person. Similarly, the persons who are practicing the Reiki healing or the energy healings, they are also like the little Jesus, Delta Jesus. Why? Because the Jesus was with the very high level of the energy, and they were able to even give the eyes to the blind person. Similarly, the Reiki healer, if he is a good Reiki healer, he can give the energies to you to fight with your blackishness or the black energy or the disease. And I am saying something advanced than that. Why to even thought about the Reiki healer, and why not to awake your Jesus? Why not to make your Jesus very big? Why not to increase your own white energy? Why not to increase your own vacuum energy? So that you can heal yourself. You should not wait for the Reiki healer, or you should not wait for a Jesus. You should try yourself. You should help yourself so that we can heal ourselves, heal our body. So dear friends, deeper the feelings will, the vacuum level and the vacuum power will be increased, and the cleaning will be more quick and very powerful. Deeper will be the feeling, better cleaning of the black energy will be there, and there will be the quick healing will be there. Even the cancer and the AIDS patient should religiously see these episodes and religiously follow this thing, so that they can be the brand ambassadors of this channel or this these techniques, if they are able to heal themselves. Dear friends, the direction to water like pure energy, pure white energy is possible. This means direction to the water is also possible, and the direction to the vacuum is also possible. First one is, in the previous slides I have talked about cleaning by the water and cleaning by the vacuum. Okay, now I am talking about the directions. I am talking about direction to the water and direction to the vacuum, and both these of the things are possible. I am able to give direction to my white energy, okay, that is a water like thing. I am able to direct my soul energy or the vacuum, yes, that is also possible. Direction to any of the my either white energy or the transparent energy, both thing is very possible, no problem at all. But one thing is very sure, vacuum is not equal to white energy. White energy layer L6, vacuum energy more superior than it, more better than it, it is L7 or the layer 7. And kindly refer the concept number H13 and H14 of this series, and I especially say to you, especially I request to you, kindly refer the concept series also time to time, so that you can understand all these concepts and you can understand the spirituality. So dear friends, direction to the water and vacuum both is possible. Direction to the white energy is possible, direction to the vacuum energy is possible. Just like the allopathic medicine, through injection and its spreading through blood circulation system, energy will be mixed in the blood and can be consciously directed locally to any of the unhealthy or the organ. In the allopathy, I am taking a pill, I am taking a injection, and by digestive system or through the blood circulation system, that particular pill or the injection or the medicine is going to the every nook and corner of my body. Okay, but when I am taking energy in myself, I am generating the energy in myself, then also it is getting mixed with the blood. I will acquire the energies, and where it will be go? It will be go in the complete body through the blood only. My blood will be energetic. My blood will be with the pure good energies. My blood will be with the very strong white cells. So dear friends, the energy will be mixed in the blood, and that can be consciously directed locally to any of the unhealthy or the unhealthy organ or the limb. My eyes are problematic, I will give the direction of my white energy to my eyes. I have the problem of hair, I will direct my energy to the hair. I have the problem of the diabetes, I will deep feel, focus my energy, direct my energy to the problematic limb like the pancreas. If I have the problem of the kidney, I will put my energy, white energy to the kidney. If I have the problem of the cut, I will put my energy to the cut. If I have some kind of the fracture, bone fracture, I will put my white energy to the fractured thing or fractured person, fractured limb. This means one thing I have learned, how to give the energy, how to give the direction to the energy, and that is the only thing. If I learn how to give the energy, then what is your problem? You have to focus for that one. This means I may have the problem of the eyes, you may have the problem of the ear, you have your own problem, I have my own problem. This means direction of the energy is to be let understand. Then you can use this concept in many methods. So dear friends, allopathy gives the injection and it is spreading through the blood circulation system. Similarly, the energy which we are acquiring, energy generation or the stem energy, will be mixed in the blood. It will be mixed in the blood and can be consciously directed locally. Blood will be circulated in complete body, but where I want to give the direction, I will give the direction where my problem is. This means whatever your problematic limb or the organ will be there, unhealthy organ will be there, kindly provide the white energy to that limb or that problematic unhealthy limb. And conversion of the disease in the various form as per the science, solid, liquid and the vapor. Okay, every of the scientific person, engineer, doctor know about it. There are the three form of the energies. Energy, repeating, three form of the energies: solid, just like the ice; liquid, just like the water; and the vapor, just like the vapor. That's it. This is as per the science. Solid to liquid to vapor. Dear friends, you can pause it and can read it. You can revise it, rewind it. Finally, this is your own data, your own time. If you have the faith, if you do not understand by the first in the first stroke, kindly revise it, no problem at all. Conversion of the disease in the various forms as per the science, solid to liquid to vapor. Okay. As per the physics, many of the persons are getting afraid of the physics. As per the physics, energy increase and the matter goes from solid to liquid to vapor. Vapor means extremely high energy. This is as per the science I am talking about. Okay, this means solid or the ice, if you will give the heat energy to it, what will be happen? The solid or the ice will be converted into the liquid water. That's it. Solid plus energy equal to liquid. Another one, liquid is the water, water is the liquid, liquid plus energy, you are giving more heating energy to the liquid, it will be converted into the vapor form. Okay, this means solid plus energy equal to liquid and liquid plus energy equal to vapor. This is as per the physics, as per the science. And what is the meaning of the vapor? This is the state of the water which have the extremely high energy, it can burn you. Extremely high energy means vapor. Okay, we have talked about the science. Now another legendary personality, Einstein, a pride of the humanity. I bow to him, I bow to Mr. Einstein. Einstein rocks. He has given a very good equation to us. Earlier only the spirituality was talking care of everything is same, whether it is mass and the energy, everything is same. But now from the Einstein onwards, E equal to mc square. Science is also saying the same thing, and it's a very beautiful thing. E equal to mc square. This means solid can be converted into the vapor and the vapor can be converted into the solid. That's it. How much beautiful this concept is, we will learn it. Einstein has given the equal to mc square. Solid state of the matter is mere a concentration of the concentration and the condensation of the energy. Okay, if solid state of the matter, if there is a stone, this means it is a dense form of the energy itself. If there is a water, that is a dense form of the energy only. Everything is the game of the energy only. Solid can be converted into the energy and energy can be converted into the solid. Science is same like that, saying like that equal to mc square. And yes, spirituality is also saying the same, E equal to mc square. Solid can be converted into the vapor, and or the solid can be converted into the energies, or the energy can be converted into the solid. Science and spirituality both are saying very same and very same. Now, as this is the healing concept, then how to deal with it? Let us see it. Conversion of the disease in the various form. Conversion of the disease, sickness in the various form. What are the form of the disease in our human body? As per the spirituality also same thing, just like the science. Yes, I am a scientist, I am an engineer. I cannot run away from the engineering or the science. I have to be faithful with my science, with my learnings. So dear friends, as per the spirituality also, three states of the energies are there: solid, liquid and the vapor. And these are the same conversion of the disease in various form: solid, liquid and the vapor. power or the energy or the body electricity or chi energy or the stem energy or the life energy. You can say any of the thing, all are very same. Energy decreases and the matter goes from the vapor to liquid to solid. Repeating. Vapor. This is the vapor form of the disease. If white energy is getting out of it, this means it will be converted into the liquid or the dirty liquid. Black energy is equal to, sorry, I am something, it is a very tough slide. Vapor minus white energy equal to dirty liquid like the pus formation, etc. And the dirty liquid minus white energy equal to dirty solid. Just like you can see coal workers lungs. If someone is taking very much smoke in himself, black energy in himself, negative energy in himself, this is the vapor form. Your own limb will be problematic, tar type of the things will be formed in your own lung. This means the vapor has converted into the dirty liquid or the sick liquid or the black liquid. And finally, if you are more not taking care of it, and the dirty liquid minus white energy equal to dirty solid, your lungs will be black solid. This kind of, this is the actual picture, this is not a symbolic picture, this is the actual picture of a person who was working in the coal field. Vapor to liquid to solid. In the science, vapor means the extremely high energy. Here the solid means extremely less energy. This means this person have very much black energy, solid black energy. This person have, kindly see the pointer, this person have middle level black energy or the liquid black energy. This person have only the vapors of the black energy or less energy, but the quantum is affordable. This person, coal worker, they have to work very much, do or die efforts they have to do so that they can get rid of this level. This person is to do some good ample amount of the work on himself so that it can be get cure of it. This person, it can be treated in less efforts. So dear friends, I know that this is something tough, and basically I am from the Hindi medium, Hindi language. That's why English is very much not frequent. A normal natural language is not from me. This is not a mother tongue of myself. That's why as the concept is very tough, also the language is also a barrier. That's why I think you were get bored by this particular slide. But what is my meaning of saying? Conversion of the disease in the various form, solid, liquid and the vapor. This is the solid, kindly see the pointer. This is the liquid, tar type of the formation, black liquid. This is the vapor form of the energy. As the stem energy will be decreased, energy, white energy will be decreased in you. The matter goes from vapor to liquid. This means vapor to liquid, this one. And if the less energy will be there, white energy will be even more, even less than that one. This means the conversion of the disease in this solid formation will be there. I know that I am not satisfied with this particular slide, especially in everything is written in a very beautiful thing. I know that In the writing I have given my 100%, but in letting it understand I am not satisfied with myself. I think that you will give sorry to me. Conversion of the disease in the various form. As per the spirituality, solid means more dense, black, dirty energy. This means solid means more dense, black, dirty energy. Just like a tumor or the cyst, this is the solid black energy, solid disease. Similarly, pus formation in anywhere, this means this is the liquid form of the disease, and this is the vapor form of the disease. Vapor, liquid, solid. Vapor, liquid and solid. Okay, as per the spirituality, solid means more dense, black, dirty energy. This person is to do or die work on himself to prevent from the solid black energy or the cyst or the tumor. Although the spiritual science concept will work on him, but still they have to do very much good work on himself. Similarly, the person with the pus formation, with the pimples, with the impurity in their blood, just like the allergies, they have to work, but middle level work will be do with them, because they have just the liquid form of the black energy. Okay, and the person who are healthy but problem with the only the local disease like cough or something, cough, asthma, etc. This means they can be easily taken care by this concept. Only thing is, in nutshell I can say, solid black energy is to do or die work. Liquid problematic person have to struggle, but middle level efforts will be okay with them. And the persons who have normally black energy, that can be taken care by couple of the days only. It can be taken care by this concept. But the concept are very same, that will be dealt with the solid, liquid and vapor, all the things. Dear friends, as per the spirituality, solid means solid. This tumor of the cyst, solid means more dense, black, dirty energy. This means it required more efforts, do or die efforts. And in the equation form, finally, black energy vapor, this is the black energy vapor, kindly see the pointer, minus white energy or the stem energy, this means the black energy liquid, the vapor has converted into the liquid. Now the black energy liquid, if the stem energy is still go lesser in you, then the disease will convert it into the solid form. Both are the disease, all the three things are disease. One is the vapor disease, liquid disease and the solid disease. Kindly revise it if it is going above your heart. 99% marks can be given for the written. I know. That's why a holistic learning, pictures will help you in the understanding, words written will help you in the understanding, and whatever I am saying it to you, that is a supplement. You can revise it, you can rewind it. Dear friends, kindly help yourself. Let's go together so that we can heal ourselves, so that we can make the humanity very healthy. We are in the need of the volunteers who can do the experiments of the truth in his or her own life. If he or she get benefit from it, then only spread these experiment of the truth to all of the humans, so that a healthy human society can be built. Kindly be the change which you want to see in the world. I especially invoke doctors and the medical field friends to check the results of the healthiness techniques described in the channel Zero to Infinity. Kindly do the result checking after doing the experiment of the truth. No endless discussion without self-doing. Spiritual science concept to to make the Eden garden, to bring the Eden garden on our earth, to make our earth more beautiful and worth living. It should not be treated like a waiting room or a airport lounge. It should be our own. It should be treated like our own home, so that we can do the justice to clean this planet. We have to do the effort so that this planet can be worth living. Otherwise, dinosaur destiny will be there. Dear friends, knowing is very good, but doing is always better. The holistic body healing series for the world will be continued. At last, the positive powers will win in the Armageddon in between the positive and the negative powers. At last, the world will be peaceful and the will develop like the Eden Garden. The Eden Garden of the people, by the people, for the people. Let's go together. And dear friends, this time the Titanic will not sink in the Atlantic. We will touch the land just like the Noah's Ark. And I am very much confident of it. And this is the confidence I want to awaken in you. Dear friends, this is a completely individual choice whether you want to follow the deity, positive powers, white energy, or the godly powers, or demonic, satanic, negative, black energies or the black powers. Whether you want to bring heaven on our earth, or whether you want to lead earth towards the hell, it is of your choice. Whether you are with the Al-Mahdi, Christ, Messiah, Lord Kalki, or you are with the Antichrist, false Messiah, Al-Dajjal, or the Kali demon. It is completely with you that whether you are with the positive powers or whether you are with the negative powers. The Armageddon is strictly not in between the nations and the religions. Repeating, the Armageddon which has been described in the Bible, in the ancient books, that is not Armageddon, not in between the nations like Iran and Israel, Iran and USA, North Korea and the USA. The Armageddon is 101% not in between the nations and in between the religions like Islam versus Christianity, Islam versus atheism, Islam versus Hinduism, Islam versus Christianity. That is not like that. This is a satanic plan, and we have to have immediately awaken ourselves that what we are doing, we are going as per the satanic plan, fighting of the nations, fighting of the religions. But what is the divine plan? Yes, the Armageddon will be there, but as per the divine plan, the Armageddon in between the black powers and the black powers and the white powers, in the deities and the demons, in the black energy and the white energy, so that our planet can be with the full of the white energy, that can be full of just like the Eden Garden or the Jannat as per the Muslims, or the Swarg as per the Hinduism, or the heaven as per the Christianity. So dear friends, yes, it is possible, but this slide is very important, that what is your own team, whether you are with the team black or whether you are with the team white. The choice is very individual, and law of the action and the reaction will be definitely work. If you are with the black, the same some reactions will be there. If you are with the white, then certainly some different kind of the reactions will be there. Dear friends, if there is any kind of the questions, doubt, feedback, suggestions or critics are there, that can be sent at the dabi.praful@gmail.com. You may be the Homer Simpson from the Chicago, or you may be the Dr. Princess Jasmine from the Jerusalem. Any type of the questions of any dimension or under this blue sky, kindly feel free to ask from your own friend from the Praful Dabi from the channel Zero to Infinity. Dear friends, thank you very much for the watching. Happy times and good day, my dear friends. I Praful Dabi bow to you. I Praful Dabi bow the deity. I Praful Dabi bow to the God hidden in you.